All right, we're here in Kyoto, Japan, and we're about to learn how to make some Japanese sweets. This is the wagashi class. And we've got all sorts of tools of the trade ready to go. As well, most importantly, an English recipe. Much easier for me to read, at least, compared to the Japanese recipe. I'm especially excited about making this, the flower blossom. But we'll see how mine comes out versus that beautiful picture there. We got some rolling pins, some shaping pins, some cookie cutters, and then I guess what looks to be mochi, or like rice paste. So there we have it, the raw ingredients of some tasty magic that's about to happen. Let's see how it goes.
はい、そしてね、これ中に白いあんこを包みます。これで、片手の親指と4本指を使って軽くこうして置いてもらって、真ん中に置いてもらって、でこの生地の真ん中に白いあんこを置いてください。で置いてもらったら片手の親指と4本指で持って軽くこうして握ります。そしてね、軽く握ったまま一周くるっと右へこうして軽く右へね、こうして軽くこうして回すというか、このね、はい、あんの方向に向かって生地をね寄せてください。くるっと回しながら、はい、両手でも結構です。両手でこうして両脇からこうして寄せてもらってもいいですので、こうしてね優しくくるっと回して真ん中に丸く生地寄せてください。こうやで丸くなったらもうね親指と4本指で持って軽く握りましょう。こう握ってで全体がこのねあんの方に向けてこうして丸くなったら親指のここでね膨らんでるところで軽くトントンと押さえてください。こうやくるっと回して。
Two hands for this.
はい、大丈夫ですか？
大豆オイル。
Alright, so far we've made a plum. You can guess which one was mine and which one was the chef's. This is what it was supposed to be. It's not bad. And this is what we made before. Sugar candy. Alright, and here we have the finished product. There's my plum on the left, flower on the right. This Christmas tree ball with glycerin cubes and leaves. And for comparison, let's look at what the chef made. This is what the chef made. This plum, the flower, and the Christmas tree ball. Yeah, not quite the same. Yeah, ajisai. Oh boy. It's not as easy as it looks.